Hello everyone, this is Sakshi and I heartily welcome you all to Books with Sakshi. I really hope you guys are doing great and you guys are having fun and you are reading a lot of books. In today's video, we are going to unbox some pre-loved books that I have received from Book Addicts. They have their pre-loved store that opened recently and I received 5 books from them, and so we are going to unbox these 5 books and we are going to see the books that I have received and their condition as they are pre-loved. So as this is going to be my first unboxing video, I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out. So I would really appreciate you guys if you watch this video until the very end, and do let me know if you find it interesting or any feedback which you would like to give to me. And so without wasting time, let's begin and let's unbox them. Okay, so now let's start. First of all, there are like kind of 2 parcels because these are like 5 books. So I'm just going to open them. One more thing I would like to tell you guys is that I received these books on Friday and I was just becoming so impatient because I badly wanted to, just open these books, but also I had to make this video, so I had to be patient enough because I could not record this video on Saturday or Sunday or even on Friday. So here we are finally. So now first of all, let's open first of all this one. Okay, so inside this package there's another package, and also there's a very sweet little note. Hey Sakshi, hope you're doing well. Here's little something to brighten up your day. Hope you like it. Book Addicts team. So this is the best thing about small businesses because they really just go out of their way and do things to just make you smile and satisfy their customers. So this really made me happy. Also there's this logo of them as well, and also I would like to tell you that in the description I'm going to leave links of their website as well as of their Instagram handles. So now let's open it. Okay, so the first book is Luckiest Girl Alive, which is written by author Jessica Knoll, and I guess it's a thriller. Yes, it's a thriller, and that's why I took this book, and it's a pre-loved book obviously, and I can see that the condition is perfect. There's no damage done to the books as promised. Also, these are original books. I've just opened this one, but this looks original. So see. Also, it's a hardcover. I just love hardcovers. And it's a thriller, and I definitely enjoy thrillers. And I've never heard of this book before, let alone of the author. And so I'm definitely excited to try this book. Next book which we have is Mahabharat for Children. This is an illustrated book. It's by Arshia Sattar and it is illustrated by Sonali Zora, and I specifically took it because I wanted to learn more about Mahabharata, and my friend Shijuti, I hope you are seeing this video, she recommended that I should also try reading children's books based on mythology, and so that's the reason why I took this book. And so now let me see what all illustrations we have. Just see how beautiful it is. I hope you can have a closer look. And obviously it's going to be for children, and it's going to be easy, and I'm definitely hoping to learn something from this one. And this again is a hardcover. So perfect. I just cannot believe these are like pre-loved books. Obviously these are in great condition, not like new, but still they are in great condition. Now let's open this one, and I suppose there are going to be 3 books in this, so let's open it. Okay, so the third book which we have is Love Pari by Pankaj Dubey. I have recently heard of this author somewhere, and I took it because first of all, just look at the cover. It's so pretty and it's really amazing, right? And also this seemed like a rom-com, so even though I haven't read the blurb of this, but I definitely just took it for the cover, and it seemed like quite fun and light kind of a read. And this is also in a great condition. No damage has been done. Everything is just perfect, and even the books are not annotated, even though I would have really liked to read annotated books, because I personally like to write on my books, and I like to highlight a lot, and so I would have appreciated the same. But anyway, the books are totally clean and original, and just have a closer look. See how pretty it is. Now on to our second last book. We have this Hippie by Paulo Coelho. I have read several books by Paulo Coelho, and this is a book that I guess a lot of people were saying that this is a really great book and all. And so this is again a pre-loved book. All the books are pre-loved, and this is also in a great condition. This is a hardcover. Amazing. And so I just got it, and I'm really excited to read it, though I kind of feel that Paulo Coelho has similar themes with just different stories, with different characters, but I still like reading what he writes. And so I wanted to read this book for a while, so I took it. Have a look. It's in a perfect condition and everything is perfect. Last but not the least, we have Heads You Win, that is written by author Jeffrey Archer. I have never read this author, and I hope I pronounced it correctly. Though I've heard about this author a lot, I've seen people recommending this author time and again, but I've never read this author. So when I saw this book, I just got it. The only thing that I'm not liking is there are stickers, and which I definitely don't like. They are on the front only, and I don't like when there are stickers on covers. And that is it for today's video. We unboxed these 5 books, and all of them are in a great condition, except the covers are slightly I won't say even they are damaged, but okay, they are cool. I have no problem with that. As long as I can read books, I have no problem with anything else. And so these are great books, and these are pre-loved, which makes it even more special. And I'm definitely excited to read all these books, and the condition is also amazing. And as I already said, in the description box I'll be leaving the links of their website as well as their Instagram handle. So if you're looking for some pre-loved books at a reasonable cost, definitely you should be checking those links and ordering some books for yourself. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I just don't know how did it go, but I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to bring more unboxing videos in the upcoming weeks or months, and we're going to have a lot of fun with that. And until next time, take care, keep reading.